Hey, come on in. Everyone's in the living room. What do you mean, son?
I don't know. But like, honestly, when you think about it, it's just really weird.
What's really weird? What?
I hate her.
I've done it. It's okay.
Oh jeez.
Yeah. Have you guys seen Steph? It's been a while.
No.
Didn't she go to the bathroom a while ago?
Should be fine. She's probably just going through some stuff. Doesn't matter.
I don't know. That scream sounded pretty serious earlier.
It's probably nothing, honestly.